This is Guru Prasad Deshpande from IIHT. IIHT is known as Indian Institute of Hardware Technology. We have been into corporate training business and student training business for the past 17 years. I head the global sales and marketing for IIHT's enterprise business. I am supported by the feet on the street sales, the deliveries team, the sourcing team, and the solutions architect team. Unlike other players in the industry, we focus totally on customers, which means to say that we are a customer-centric company. When any company approaches us for the training, we do not address the moment of the truth problems. So rather, our sales force, along with our solution architects, go to the customers, go to the business, understand the specific business requirements, and then they are going to map the solutions according to their specific needs, which means it comprises of a training development life cycle. They do a complete training need analysis, come back, go with a design, come back, and then do a prototype, do a solution, and give a complete solution to the customers. So we do not address their momentary problems, but what we do is, as a result, we believe in giving a complete package solution to the customers. We have close to 200 plus customers in IIHT. 90% of them are tier 1 customers, and close to 60% of them fall under the Fortune 500 category. Our feet on the street sales and our inside sales carry a target of acquiring net new customers. And every month we acquire close to 20 net new names, and that's the target that we have set for ourselves. Well, these 200 plus customers fall into different industry buckets. Some of them are from BFSI, some of them are from BPO, some of them are from ITES companies. So basically, we have learned that all these 200 customers represent close to about 15 industry verticals in IIHT stream of business. So what we have done as a result is basically going forward in the next fiscal, that is 2011 and 12, we have identified 3 top verticals that IIHT's enterprise business shall be focusing on. Number 1, it's going to be the government. Number 2, it's going to be the BFSI. Number 3, it's going to be the telecom vertical.